You can't sign up for AdMob because your Google account is associated with multiple AdWords accounts. How to fix this problem? The Google account you're using to sign up for AdMob should only be associated with one AdWords account. If your Google account has been added to multiple AdWords accounts, you should contact the owners of the accounts to request that they remove you. Please be aware that Google AdWords and AdMob are unable to mediate access disputes between users. You can't sign up to AdMob. Don't worry, Gossip Fund are providing best easy steps that will help to new users to resolve this problem. Watch this video till end, with patience, for a better understanding. Follow the steps as it is, we mentioned here. To do this, you need a different Gmail account. What you need to do is to provide the ownership of the main AdWords account to another AdWords account, and delete the main one after that. It will fix the issue immediately. It's too easy. See the steps. Hope you have fixed the problem. If not, contact AdMob customer care immediately to resolve the issue. Thanks for watching. For more such video, please like, share, subscribe and support Gossip Funda. And please don't forget to put your comment below. We will happy to help you.